Hello everyone, for this demonstration I'm going to install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on Windows 10. So let's begin. I'm going to be using Firefox for this demonstration. If you like Chrome or Microsoft Edge, feel free to use those. I'm going to choose not right now, I have to make it default. On the URL, you're going to type get, excuse me, give me a moment, get adobe.com /reader. Enter. Now, you can do this another way. You can type in here Adobe Reader, which is right here, and enter. And it should be the first one on the list, or the second one. It's a PDF reader, so you click on that. It'd be the same. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna uncheck this one. What it's gonna install a Adobe Reader Chrome extension. I don't need that. And then the optional offer, I'm gonna uncheck this one and I'm gonna uncheck this one as well. I don't want to install antivirus on my machine. And I'm just gonna click download Adobe Reader. Don't download the Pro. This is the pay version. So download the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Give it a moment so that it fully downloads. It shouldn't take that long. Depending on your internet connection, it could take maybe 1 minute, or could be 2, 3, 4 minutes, 5, whatever your connection speed is. I'm gonna click on the little download icon on the top, and I'm gonna go to the folder container. Then I'm gonna double click on the Adobe Reader installer. Double click, click on yes. I'm gonna just minimize this on the back and give it a moment. So we're gonna leave it checked. We're gonna launch the Adobe Reader DC and then click finish. All right. So what we're gonna do is close. Oh, close the Internet Explorer, and there you go. This is how you install Adobe Reader DC. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.